Plant friends, welcome to a behind the scenes tour of my new digital course, Growing Joy with Plants Masterclass. Growing Joy. What if you don't have 200 hours or millions of minutes to learn how to go from a confused plant parent to a happy plant parent? So I have dedicated my life to becoming the most confident plant parent as humanly possible. I've spent 300 plus hours interviewing horticulture experts all about plant care. I've taken high-level plant science classes. I've created millions of minutes of YouTube videos free for you and my free podcasts for you to consume. But that's where this new course that I just launched, the Growing Joy with Plants Masterclass, comes into play. It's the first of its kind digital course that has a 3-step process that will take you from confused to confident plant parent. It's for beginners and intermediate plant parents. For the beginners, it's going to give you everything you need to know to care for plants successfully and have a thriving indoor jungle. And it's going to save you so much time and heartbreak because it's based off of my experience of being a former plant killer and so many other mistakes that I've seen people in our community make. And if you're an intermediate level plant parent, it's going to fill in gaps in your knowledge to make 2025 the best year yet. And until Thursday the 20th, it's $49, okay? $49. That's the cost of a plant. The coupon code is in the show notes. But in case you were curious to join, I thought it would be fun to bring you through a back-end tour of the actual masterclass portal so you can see exactly what you're getting. Let's dive in so I can give you a tour. Okay, so welcome to the masterclass. Once you use your coupon code at checkout, you'll get an email, and then this will be the portal that you enter. So Growing Joy with Plants Masterclass has links to a feedback form, the podcast, there's a welcome video. If you sign up for our VIP experience, which is only available through February 20th, you also get access to live coaching calls with me. So this is the information on those coaching calls. And then we go into the different modules. So the 3 steps is broken down. The modules are organized. So step 1 is understanding your microclimate and your plant parent personality. So these are these 2 modules, the plant parenthood basics and choosing the right plants for you. Module 1 is all about, actually we can click into it. You'll learn like what are houseplants, what do we need to know about how houseplants thrive outdoors to care for them indoors? And then we have a lesson on the top 4 reasons why people kill houseplants. And then the most important one is understanding your home's microclimate. This is where we're going to really drill deep into your personal lighting and home environment to help you be able to pick plants successfully for your home environment. Then we go into choosing the right plants for you with your plant parent personality. So you'll take my plant parent personality test, and then you'll go through this course. Based on your results, you can either just watch the training on your plant parent personality, or you can watch them all. So at the end of every plant parent personality module, there is a download. The download is a list of plants that are perfect for that personality type. I am 80% low maintenance plant parent and 20% mindful plant parent. So what I could do with this resource that isn't available to you just with the free test is going through each module, deciding how much of your personality is represented by all of them, download multiple personalities, and then make your own personally like one of a kind list of curated plants for your lifestyle, which I think is super cool. So that's step 1. So by the end of step 1, you are going to understand your home environment and the light that you're working with, and you're going to understand your plant parent personality. So we've set you up for success there because you're going to stop choosing the wrong plants for you. Then we move into the plant care basics section. So we have a deep dive into understanding light, a module on natural light, a module on grow lights, a module on like photosynthesis for dummies, like why light is so important for plants. Then we have our houseplant watering wisdom, which is a dive into watering. We talk about the importance of water for houseplants. Spoiler alert, it's more than just hydration. We talk about how to read your plant's watering needs, right? So this whole course is aimed to empower you to build a more intuitive relationship with your houseplants. So this class is all about how to read your plant's symptoms for learning when it's time to water your plants just by watching them. And then also we have a watering demo where I go through bottom watering, top watering, everything you need to know. Next up is potting mix, pots, and fertilizers, the foundation of your plants, because it's all about roots. So we talk about pots, potting mix, fertilizers, how to pick the right pot for your houseplant. We talk about the different materials pots are made of and how they affect your houseplant health, the basics of fertilizer, and we break down potting mix, all of the different things that make up potting mix. Because have you ever been repotting a plant and you're like, what are the white things in this potting mix? What is this? What is that? Well, we break it down for you. The reason why I'm giving you lifetime access is because of this module 6. It's called Plant SOS. And this is for problems that are going to arise, right? So we have common plant problems and how to stop them. That's yellow leaves, brown leaves, dehydrated soil, overwatered plants. How do you identify what the issue is and then treat for it? And then pest identification and prevention. So we have a module on how to identify what pest you have and then how to treat for it with natural and pesticides and even beneficial insect strategies. And then also why you should make your own houseplant first aid kit. And there's a download that links to everything you could need. You could build your first aid kit right then and there. And then last but not least, we have the final module, my favorite module, Growing Joy Through the Seasons. And that is all about having a thriving plant collection beyond a season for a lifetime. This is where we dive into plant care chores, weekly, monthly, quarterly checklists. We have so many downloads in this course, going on vacation with houseplants, and also how to use plants as a self-care tool. 2025, it's hard out there. This is a really stressful year to be alive, and I really want to make sure that plants can be an effective wellness tool for you, as well as just making your home beautiful. Now, if you join before February 20th, I am giving you access to the bonus mini course, Repot with Confidence, okay? The bonus mini course. It's an entirely other course. It's 20 minutes long. It's called Repot with Confidence, and it's everything you need to know to repot plants, right? How to repot with a tutorial, repotting tools, how to tell when a plant needs repotting, repotting versus uppotting. There's so much resource in here. I know repotting can be really stressful, and I want to totally eliminate your stress around it. So that's the Growing Joy with Plants Masterclass. I'm so excited to have distilled my 8 years of knowledge into under 3 hours. It's 7 modules, it's 25 classes. You can binge the entire thing in just 3 hours, or you can chip away at it because all of the classes within the modules are less than 20 minutes. So you could make it a part of your morning routine, just watching a module a day, or you can just buy it and use it as a resource so that when you have your pest infestation, when you have a problem arise, when it's time to repot, you just have it in your back pocket as a resource of vetted, high quality information on plant care that you can trust to build the most glorious plant collection you've ever seen. I'm so honored to be a part of your plant journey and honored if you choose to join me on this digital journey. All of it is in an effort to help you keep growing joy.